If you're looking for a compact cook set to take out on your next outdoor adventure, you might want to consider this. This is the Stanley Adventure Bowl cook set. It's compact and lightweight, great for solo camping, holds up to 24 ounces, and inside there's a bowl and there's a spoon and there's a fork. Well, let me show you what you get here. On the top is this locking lid. You just squeeze it together, flip it down, and it becomes the handle. Nice sturdy handle, big enough that you can keep your hand away if it's hot, just coming off the stove. Now there's a removable lid on the top here with a little handle that flips up and down. That comes off like so. And inside we find there's this bowl or mug, and you can just give it a little twist. It's like a bayonet mount, locks in, twists, comes off. So this is a great big 24 ounce. You can use it as a mug, you can use it as a bowl. It's a Bpa Free Material, so it's safe for you. It's dishwasher safe and microwave safe as well for cleaning up afterwards. And inside comes with this little spork, they call it, because it's a combination spoon and fork on the end, as you can see there. Made of stainless steel, so it's not going to rust on you. Nice and compact. The bowl has measurements in the side. You can't really see them because it's this dark material, but there are measurements on the side. So if your recipe calls for 1 cup or 8 ounces, you can see the measurements on the inside. You notice on the outside there's this neoprene sleeve to insulate it, to keep things warm, or to keep your hand from burning when you grab the outside. And this sleeve does pull off quite easily. That'll pull right off, so you can wash this without getting the sleeve wet. Now there is a lid here, so you have a big mug of coffee. You can put this lid on, keep things warm, and then you've got this opening for sipping it. This lid will also fit on the pot itself to help speed up boiling. And then say you have some noodles in there and you want to strain them, there's these little holes in the side, so it'd be an easy way just to let the water come out and keep the noodles inside there. The stainless steel pot itself is nice and durable and solid, and there are markings on the side here for 16 ounces, 24 ounces, so you know exactly how much liquid to put in there. And like I say, it has this really nice and secure handle. Another nice thing I like about this cook set, of course it all fits together nicely, but it's got enough room inside that I can store a small fuel cylinder, and if you have one of these tiny cook stoves, they will actually all fit inside there depending on the size. If you're careful the way you place them in there, everything will fit, and the lid will go down, and there you have it. Cook set with a stove and fuel all ready to go.